Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to log in and create an account for Smart Music, okay? So you're going to open up a new tab, all right? Then you're just going to type in Smart Music. So you're going to click here, and it'll take you to this site, okay? Now, if you've done this already, this is not for you. This is only for people that are having trouble getting into Smart Music, okay? So you'll click over here to log in. Now it's going to show you two options, either New Smart Music or Classic. You're going to go to New, so click on New. Now it'll take you here. If you don't have an account, you're going to create one. You're going to need to create an account using not your school email, because I don't think NEISD is accepting emails from Smart Music. So United States, okay, then we are in Central Time, okay, and this one's really important. Are you at least 13? Yes, because if you click no, then it's not going to send you any emails and it's going to go to some foreign place out in, I don't know, Zimbabwe. So you click yes, then you fill out the information, okay. Now Okay, I already kind of did this, so I just wanted to show you the window. Create a username for you. It would probably be best to just create a username that's like your first and last name. So I would put mine just Megan Whitty. Oop. Okay, then you create your own unique password. You're a student, so you'll click student. Then you'll find your primary instrument. If you want to put secondary, that's optional. You don't need to. If you want to, that's fine. Then you click that you have read the terms and agreements. Now, this step is super important. You need to unclick this. If you don't, it's going to send you a ton of emails that you don't want. Okay, so make sure you unclick here. All right, then you're going to submit it. All right, now, I'm going to go back because I already created a mock student account. Okay, so I'm going to go here. All right, then I log in. Okay, you don't want to save that password. That's up to you. I'm not going to. All right, and then this is kind of what it's going to look like. It's going to show you assignments due and then any recently graded assignments. Okay, now what I'm about to show you, this is a class for the Churchill Band. So when you see the music, I don't want you to freak out and think that this is the music that you're going to be playing. I'm just going to show you how to use this tool. So let's click on this one. It's the most recent one. Okay, so you want to complete the assignment, so click there. Then you've got to select your part. Okay, so you got to scroll down. Let's just use tuba. Okay, and you click OK. Now it's going to open the title. It's going to take a minute. Now it shows you the instructions, how many points, okay, what it's worth. Now, like I said, this is just an example. This is not what you were supposed to, this is not your assignment, okay? So there's all kinds of tools. Up here at the top, you have tracks, you have my takes, assessment, loop, display, download PDF, okay? So this is where you would record yourself. Obviously, record is the red button, so when you're ready to record, you hit that. Okay. Then this just goes through what kind of microphone you want to do melodic. Okay, so that's what you select. Then it's going to ask you to test your microphone so they know it's working. It's going to make a little sound like that, and you're ready to go. Okay. The metronome is already set for you. Notice over here, okay? You can change it, but just remember you've got to check the instructions and what's written here. Don't just start messing around with all this stuff, okay? This is just showing you other things. None of these things are important. You don't need to use those. The only one you got to worry about is tracks. Okay, so let's say I'm ready to record. So I push record. Then it's going to count you off. Notice here it's showing you what measure you're on. 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3. Now you go right here. Now the only reason it's showing red or yellow or green, I'm supposed to be recording right now, so it's picking up my voice, okay? But I'm just showing you kind of what it looks like. Okay, and if you want to stop, you just hit the record button again, and it'll stop it. Okay, now let's just let it go through the whole process. That's going to restart it. You have to make sure you're counting. 1, ready, go. Again, the red just indicates a missed note completely. Yellow means that it's just off time. And green means that it's actually correct, which is fascinating because I'm not actually singing, but it's picking up the tones in my voice. Now, guys, I know this is not a perfect science. Internet speeds may affect the way that it works, but I'm setting the tolerance level. And what does that mean? That it's not going to grade you quite so difficult, that it's going to take into account outside things. Okay, so now it's at the end. This is where you can hear it. Okay, that gives you an opportunity to, you know, listen to it. Then you have the option up here. You want to submit it? Well, I wouldn't because I'd get an F. Okay, do you want to save it? Like, oh, it was an okay take, but I don't know. Or do you just want to delete it? Well, let's be honest. Like, look at my grade, 27%. So I'm going to delete it. Okay, do I want to delete it? Yes, goodbye. Okay, so that's just a little tutorial about how you log in and how you're going to actually use Smart Music. So please make sure that you watch this video and then follow the steps accordingly. Great. Thanks so much, guys. Looking forward to using this really useful tool.